Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair wireless headphones with Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. To do this, first you will need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, navigate to the settings, then go for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Right here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Then you'll be able to find Bluetooth devices right here. Grab your headphones or the speaker, whichever one you want to pair, and enter Bluetooth pairing mode on that device. And now we need to wait till our device is visible on the list. Click on that device and it should be connected with your Kindle. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.